So we're adjusting the needle bar height on an industrial sewing machine today. This is a Consew 206 RB2, but this procedure would apply for any of the RB models 1 through 5. This is something you might have to do if you're checking or resetting your machine timing, but luckily it's an easy adjustment to make with just one screw. Now, finding the timing position of your machine is really important. Whether you're setting the rotary hook timing or just adjusting the needle bar like we're doing today, knowing the timing position of your machine is key. Put your machine into the timing position by finding bottom dead center and then rotate the hand wheel towards you until the needle bar raises an additional 3/32 of an inch. I'm just using a little aluminum spacer for accuracy. Now in that timing position, your hook needs to pass 1/16 above the eye of the needle. If that's not the case, you need to make a needle bar height adjustment. Before you do so, make sure that you're using the correct needle system, a 135/17 for the Consew 206 RB, or it could be called a 135/16 if it's a leather point needle, and it needs to be inserted fully into the needle bar. In that timing position, a screw will come into view, and that's the one you can loosen to adjust the needle bar. You just want to loosen it slightly, leave a little bit of tension on that to make your adjustment. And then just move the needle bar up or down slightly until the hook passes 1/16 above the eye of the needle. And then you can snug up the screw. Once you tighten that screw, just confirm that the hook is still passing 1/16 of an inch above the eye of the needle. If it looks good, button up your machine and give it a test run. Alright guys, remember to hit me with the thumbs up if you like the topic, and if you're having more issues with your walking foot, just drop down to the description box. There you'll find links to all my video resources for getting your machine back in action. You'll also find a link to the latest version of this, the 206 RB5, if you're in the market for a new machine. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.